Hey, what's up everyone? Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina today looking at a crawl space cellar area that's got standing water in it. This homeowner called us out because of his mechanical equipment's down here. He wants to make sure it's not getting damaged. He also wants to utilize this space for storage as well. And I wanted to point out a couple things that we initially found when we come out. If you can see behind me here, we've got some signs of water coming in through the wall, and we can tell that based on the way the mud stains are running down the wall. But we can also see it here in this corner as well, and you can tell the floor is wet. We had some rain this past weekend, and water is still sitting in here. We've actually had to pump. There was actually more water down here, and we had to pump it out for about 30 minutes. Probably should have got videos before we started pumping, but you can see the wetness in this corner, and then you can also see more mud here that's running down the wall that shows the water is coming from outside in. There was a plumber on site that was talking about the water coming from the hot water heater, and this is just an example of why you need somebody who's trained on what to look for, because this is not a water heater issue. It could be contributing. Not sure what issues he found with the water heater, but what we're seeing here, these telltale signs, is that water intrusion is coming in, or water seepage is coming up into this cellar area. One other thing to note here is the cracks that are showing. This is due to hydrostatic pressure, that water not having nowhere to go. So this wall is actually pushing in and causing these cracks to happen. And if you can see, it's actually cracking the entire block itself. On top it's cracking the brick. A lot of times we'll see it run the mortar joints, but when it gets pretty severe, it will even crack straight through the actual blocks in the brick. So that's a lot of pressure to be able to crack those blocks. So just wanted to show y'all what we're looking into. Hopefully this helps y'all out for things to look for in your crawl space or cellar or basement. If you have any issues, feel free to reach out to us, 704-813-9554. We provide free on-site consultations, and we look forward to talking to you. Thanks.